Hi, thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. My name is Tisha. I spoke to one of your associates, Leo, and just advised I was going to be sending over a custom video um, just to check and see how your website is doing in comparison to your competitors. Um, my main goal is to offer tips that will improve the traffic that comes to your website, improve your ranking, and bring in more business. I found your company when I was doing research in your area. So let's go ahead and go over some of these tips. So the first would be content. So content is anything that can be found. So any words that are being used, images, video that are being used on your website. And so Google, in order for them to rank you, they like to see it at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, by having more content, then you're able to include more keywords. So then that's going to be important. Now, the keywords are what a customer will type in on Google search to find a particular service or type of company. So it's important to use as many keywords as possible. And we will take a look to see how you're doing. The next thing would be citations. Now, citations are anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found. So this may be Angie's List, Yelp, local directories, Facebook. So anywhere it can be found. So the more citations that you have, the better. Now, when I Googled plumbers in North Highlands, this is what I found. So the first would be the company. So these are pay-per-click advertisement here. The next would be the map pack. So this is very important to be in this area. Um, Oftentimes when people Google or a certain business or certain service, they will go to the first companies that they see. So it's really, really good that you guys are already here in the map pack. The next would be the organic search. So the first that we have here will be Yelp. So these are companies that are paying for them to be on the Yelp directory. The next will be roto. So that will be your top competitor. And then after that, it will be Rooter Hero. So we'll take a look to see how they're doing. So first, let's take a look at your website. The first we see here would be backlinks. So these are links that can be found on a website that would direct a customer back to your website. So the more backlinks, the more traffic you will receive. I'm showing that you have over shy of 2,000 backlinks. You're using 695 keywords, bringing in about 281 people to your website monthly. And then this is generating a revenue close to 3,000. I do want to mention here with Ahrefs, this is not 100% accurate, but it can just let us know and get a general idea of how your website is doing. Now, of the keywords that you are utilizing, okay, so of course, your business name, and then these are the type of words that are being typed in to find your company. This is how you're ranking. Okay, and then the next is going to be roto. This is a franchise company. Nonetheless, they are your top competitor. So let's take a look. They do have over 869,000 backlinks. They're utilizing over 96,000 keywords, bringing in over 256,000 people to their website and generating over 4 million in revenue. Now, what we do is we would aim to use some of the same backlinks that your competitors are using and build them and utilize that for you. And also, too, some of the keywords that they're using, then we can always implement that and use that on your website so that when someone types that in, then they're able to find your company as well. So these are some of the keywords that they're using. And a lot of these are their franchise names. And then here are just some of the other examples. Okay, and then the next would be Rooter Hero. So they have over 24,000 backlinks, 6,400 keywords, bringing in over 11,000 customers to their website and generating about 310,000 in revenue. And then some of their keywords that they're currently using. Okay, so these are the words that are being typed in to find their company. Again, we can always utilize these same words to help you rank. Okay. And one thing I forgot to mention, I did find you here on the organic search. So you are on the first page, and that's going to be the primary the primary goal. So you are ranking number 10 on the first page. So that's a good thing. Now there are some other businesses, of course, and directories that do come over your that appear before your company. So again, that will be a goal to get you to outrank some of these other businesses and directories. So I hope that you have enjoyed some of the tips that I provided to bring in more revenue, more company customers to your website. Now, you're welcome to use these on your own. If you would like to talk about this in depth, I would be happy to do so. My phone number is 916-378-9773. Again, thank you for taking out your time to watch this video, and you have a good day.